Wagwan people, welcome back to another great video. It's been 1 week, we don't really get to post no video. Just a little bit sick, but you know, as soon as we feel better, we're back on the recording again. 1 week seems too long, you know what I mean? But today we are doing some shrimp pasta, alfredo, cream sauce. So first off, me I gonna make the cream sauce and put it one side and put on the penny pasta for 5 minutes. Cook and then saute up the shrimp. Yeah, me I use some scallion. Saute up the scallion then along with the garlic and the onion. Just add flavor in the sauce. Table of rock touch. Table of rock star. So we'll add some olive oil. Saute up the season. Add some garlic. Scallion. And just a little piece of the onion. Yes man, so right now saute up the seasons. Yes sir. Guys, 1 week I not get to post no video and I tell you say it's been like forever, like missing it so much, you know. I use some cooking cream. I'm gonna add just a little piece of thyme in it. Then I'm gonna use some cornstarch. Just add like a spoon of cornstarch in a small container. Add a little water to it. Just gonna give the sauce a little bit more body. Thicken it a little bit more. You can see the sauce start get thick. So I'm building the body of the sauce. I just give it about 1 more minute, just let it kick up a little bit more. Rich and creamy. Put a while up. Add a little bit of salt, cooking oil, olive oil almost finished. Need to get 1 more. Add some frozen vegetable. Half of it. Pasta. Piece of scallion. Yeah, man, 7 minutes. Oh, check on the pasta. Almost cooked. Give it another minute. So now I'm going to season the shrimp. So I clean them off already. Use some scallion onion. Some green pepper. A little garlic powder. Also a little jerk season. A little fish season. So I'm gonna rub it in with the mixing spoon and just leave it to marinate. So I'm just adding some garlic. Just gonna add in the shrimp. Saute them up a little for 5 minutes. So I don't really want the shrimp them to overcook, because when the shrimp them overcook, the shrimp are going to taste like rubbery. So I want the shrimp to still maintain the fluffiness of it. So the shrimp looking good. Full of flavor. Add the cream sauce. Use up the whole of the sauce. Yep. Add some of the tomato, some of the onion, the sweet pepper. So I'm now left my cream sauce in me. I use up everything. Now I'm going to waste. Yeah man, so the last thing I'm gonna add some shredded Parmesan cheese. And just give it a minute or two just to make the cheese melt. Yes, and this is what dinner look like, you know. And this is how Caribbean vibes dinner look like. Give it a little twist by seasoning up the shrimp with some jerk season. Let's see, I walk on taste. Oh, you're on dirty. Shrimp pasta alfredo. Yeah, with cream sauce, parmesan cheese. Come on, people. Thing look good, thing taste good. Man. Done it now. Take it off and put it one side. Yes, eat that, sir. Drink some water. Yeah man, you know what to do, you know. Like, comment, share, subscribe for more wonderful video.